There are many ways to lose quite a few weight rapid. Nevertheless, most of them will make you hungry and unsatisfied. If you do not have iron willpower, then starvation will reason you to stop on these plans rapidly. The plan outlined right here will cut back your appetite vastly, make you drop a few pounds speedily without starvation, strengthen your metabolic health whilst. Right here is an easy 3-step plan to shed extra pounds quick. 1. Lessen on sugars and starches. The foremost phase is to diminish on sugars and starches, carbs. Another improvement of reducing carbs is that it lowers insulin levels, inflicting your kidneys to shed excess sodium and water out of your body. This reduces bloat and unnecessary water weight. 2. 3. Trusted supply. It isn't uncommon to lose up to 10 pounds, commonly extra, in the first week of consuming this way, each body fats and water weight. This can be a graph from a B-trained evaluating low-carb and low-fats diets in overweight or overweight women. 4. Trusted source. The low-carb group is eating until fullness, whilst the low-fat workforce is calorie-restricted and hungry. Cut the carbs and you're going to begin to eat fewer energy automatically and without starvation. 5. Put quite simply, cutting carbs places fats loss on autopilot. 2. Eat protein, fat and greens. Each one of your meals will have to comprise a protein supply, a fat supply and low-carb veggies. Setting up your ingredients in this manner will automatically carry your carb intake into the endorsed variety of 20 to 50 grams per day. Protein sources: meat, pork, chook, pork, lamb, and so on. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, shrimp, and many others. Eggs, whole eggs with the yolk are great. The significance of consuming plenty of protein cannot be overstated. This has been shown to boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day. 6. Trusted supply. 7. Trusted source. 8. Trusted supply. High-protein diets might also diminish cravings and obsessive ideas about meals by 60%, shrink the want for late nighttime snacking through 1/2, and make you so full that you simply robotically devour 441 fewer energy per day, simply by way of including protein to your food regimen. 9. Trusted supply. 10. Trusted supply. In terms of losing weight, protein is the king of nutrients. Interval. Low-carb greens: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber. Full record right here. Don't be afraid to load your plate with these low-carb greens. That you may eat significant quantities of them without going over 20 to 50 net carbs per day. A weight reduction plan situated commonly on meat and vegetables contains all of the fiber, vitamins and minerals you need to be healthy. Fat sources: olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, butter. Eat 2-3 ingredients per day. When you're hungry within the afternoon, add a 4th meal. Don't be afraid of eating fat, as seeking to do each low-carb and low-fat whilst is a recipe for failure. It's going to make you believe depressing and abandon the plan. To look how one can bring together your meals, assess out this low-carb meal plan and this record of 101 healthful low-carb recipes. 3. Lift weights 3 times per week. You don't have to activity to shed some pounds on this plan, however it's endorsed. The first-rate alternative is to head to the fitness center 3-4 occasions a week. Do a warm-up and lift some weights. If you're new to the gymnasium, ask a coach for some advice. Via lifting weights, you will burn plenty of energy and prevent your metabolism from slowing down. Stories on low-carb diets exhibit that you may even obtain a bit of muscle even as shedding gigantic quantities of physique fats. 13. If lifting weights is just not a choice for you, then doing some cardio workouts like jogging, running, strolling, cycling or swimming will suffice.